Morning, everybody. You're late. Where you been? Looks cold out there. All right, so here's what we got going today. We got all kinds of stuff here, but we've been working hard. A couple days before Christmas break, we got a lot of stuff to go out. As you can see, new stuff is getting on tables. Jobs are progressing quite nicely, and we got about 2 days to get stuff done. So I'm gonna run you guys over to see Trevor and have him lead you through what he's doing. He's got the rush job right now, but as you look around the shop, there's a ton of stuff going on. And we're gonna continue on. So here's Trevor. He's gonna work you through what he's got going in here and what it does.
Alright, so right now we're running STDs. They go on here and they kind of, when you're for your ice fisting, once you got the fist, they'll pop right up, then you'll know. So these are all the good ones. These are the blanks. You put the blank into the machine here. Can't really see it because of the coolant. But we're running 4 of them at a time. And this is the first op, and then once this is done, we'll switch over to the second op. We got Brock over here. He's running his parts on the lathe. Doing a great job.
Well, right now we're deburring. These are for Al Lacer. He makes wood chisels, and these are all between like the blade and the wood. Right now they're running pretty good. I've made quite a few so far. Pretty quick program too.
So op 1 is done, and we got our 4 finished parts. Now we're gonna flip over the side. Back it down. Use our 12 wrench. All tightened down. Now we're going to switch over to op 2. Shut the doors. Get her moving.
Hey guys, long time no see. Where you been? I've lost you. Well, maybe somebody just had you. All right, ton going on. It is now after Christmas break. We had some rush jobs going on that we've gotten kicked out, and we're just doing the finishing touches up on sending the last batches. Well, I should just take you for a little walk of what we got going on. Here, Ulysses and Bailey, they're using the new to us fab table. We got this spring to build some shelving for us. There, we just fixed the 4-wheeler with a plow on the front of it. That's headed out today. This, Logan's been working on getting this all polished up, and this will be headed out hopefully, you know, end of this week, start of next week, get it out of here before the second semester starts. This is our second to last week of the semester, so it's we're really winding down. We're getting close to being done. All these guys will be coming back next semester, but we got a lot to get done. So here's kind of what we're doing. I'm just gonna take you for a little walk around. Dustin, he's setting this job up here. This is from a local township for one of their town mowers. They just need a little sharpening on their blade. We could take a grinder here and sharpen it, but we can get a better finish with an end mill on there. It is really hard, so it's not going to be great for the end mill, but right now what he's doing is just turning the angle on the head. So he tips the angle from here to like that to be able to get the edge on it. The other thing is we're trying to get this edge down here back closer to the back side. It'll stay sharper longer and be a little better. Roman doing a little work over here. He's doing some maintenance, doing some threading. He's the one that keeps the shop running. Kelvin, he's working on a job we got going for a company down in Whitehall. Just getting everything to length. He's been doing a really nice job there. Pretty simple stuff right now. He's got a lot of drilling that'll be coming up on this job. This is a job that we have done in our CNC mills before, but we are pretty full over here at the moment, trying to get a couple jobs done, and also getting caught up on some things. Trevor's been running these. That one isn't started up yet today. It's been warmed up, but he's just got to go over and hit the cycle start button once we get enough of these through. Last time, a little bit ago in the video, you saw he was working on some parts. They're the STD circles. They go on the ice fishing jig. He got those done, but I was going to show you guys the process for that a little bit. So where they start is over here. They start right over here in the rack. We use material right here. 2-inch goes from here in the rack, goes over here to the bandsaw. We'll put it in here, and we'll cut those to right around a 1/2 inch long. Once we have them cut here, we'll come back here to our belt sander. We'll take them here, we'll take the little burr off them. Once we're done here, we come over to Brock, and Brock does the first 2 operations on these. He doesn't have the job set up right now, but he puts them in here. He's got some different jaws in here. He pushes them up against the jaws, shuts the door, runs it. All it does is it faces it and puts a little chamfer on it, opens it, takes them, flips them over, tightens it back up, faces, chamfers, and then we have the blank. Then he's done. What he does at that point is he comes from the CNC lathe over here to Trevor, gives them to Trevor, and Trevor is able to do what you guys saw him do earlier in the video. Once Trevor has both ops done, both the flat and then the standing on the side, we take them and we put them in our tumbler. So our tumbler, it's basically just sand. It's a media in there. It's for polishing. I know that was a really bad explanation, but it's right here. So take the top off, and it just got like this. It looks basically like sand. It is not sand. It's these little sand-like things, granite or granular. We are ready for probably new media. This stuff's starting to get a little old, dirty. We'll have to change it out eventually. But that's how we buff them. They turned out really nice. We sent a batch out before Christmas break of, I think, 30 or 40. And we just sent the last batch out that we needed to get that job completed. Trevor is now back onto the planishing hammer parts. This is a reoccurring job we have here. We're trying to do about 100 a month. This is the only production job we have in here, but it does pretty well. As Brock was saying earlier, he's over here making the ferrules. He's been deburring. This is another nice job. We do it every year. It's consistent. It's pretty simple, but it's a good little job for us to do. Here he's just deburring, so there's no sharp edges, making them look nice. And like he said earlier, they just go on a chisel type thing. There's a little metal piece in it. So that's kind of what's going on here. Evan's over working in the wood shop. I'm gonna get you guys over there, I promise, but we got a big surprise coming. I don't want to let it out of the bag yet. Over here, Colin, what are you guys working on?
Grill tops here.
Making some grill tops. So these guys just got done with the pack basic rack, which is actually sitting over there. I wanted that out before Christmas break. We had it all done. We had it painted. The roads haven't been really good, and I don't want to get it all salty and sandy. So we're just waiting for the roads to get better before this goes over to them. So this is the rack we made. It's all 2-inch square. I believe it's 1/8 wall. We had to put all these plastic liners in when it came back from paint, screw it in. So that will be headed. What they do is they take a die board. They make boxes and packaging. Their die board slides in here, and that's how they store all their stuff. So that's a really good job for us. This is the 4th one we've made. This one's got these on it right here. That is so we can, well, not us, but if they want to stack them, they can stack them. That's how they can hold them on top of each other. So that's kind of a overview of what's going on today out here, what we got going on this week. We're just getting back into the rhythm of things. We had a snow day, our 2nd day back to school after Christmas break on Tuesday. So today is, what is it, Thursday already? Yeah, it's Thursday today. Okay, time's going fast, 6 days before the end of the semester. But things are going really good. We're having a really successful year. In the next few videos, you're going to see how the semester changes and how the projects change. But you'll be seeing pretty much all the same people. You know what they say. You guys have a great day. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you back here.